Luxury Diva Day. Actually, I got it yesterday, but I don't know, did it come USPS? How'd it come? Yeah. Oh, it's UPS. That's what it was. Because my mail guy knows better. They put it over the fence, but they put it over the fence where you couldn't reach it without going all the way back. Because we live about a little less than a quarter of a mile from the road. So you have to walk all the way back, open the gate to the pasture, walk all the way back up to the pasture to get it, because where they put it, you couldn't reach it. So I just waited till I was leaving again and got a stick and scraped it over closer to where I could grab it instead of having to go all the way through the pasture where there's cow pies and donkey pies and all that kind of stuff. It's like dodging landmines. Alrighty, if you don't know, Luxury Divas, a accessories box. It says April showers, spring May flowers. That's one of the collabs I'm in's called that. Let's see, it says Luxury Diva accessories box is a monthly delivery of fun, fashion, and style for women. Packed with a surprise variety of 5 products, which can include anything from apparel, scarves, gloves, hats, socks, hosiery, handbags, wallets, sunglasses, jewelry, cosmetics, and home goods. All yours to keep and enjoy. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. Highest value was 36, lowest value was 3 things for 20. So let's see what we got. So it comes wrapped. Put this down somewhere. There we go. It comes wrapped in like tissue paper with their little seal on it. Oh, there, you can't see it very good. It's on the side. Okay, what do we have here? I've got too much junk. Okay, this is a headband. Not much of a headband wearer, but I might wear it to keep my hair out of my face when I do Mass Mondays. It's cute. It's got flowers and gold, like woven-y stuff on it, and black. It says Nona. Let's see. Two-pack assorted fashion headbands. So there's a black one and a flowered one in here. They're not all one. So there's 2 different headbands in here. I don't know. I may give this away. Yeah, you always get like a little treat. This time it says Rainbow Twizzler, but it looks, I don't know if it's banana or lemon. Hopefully it's lemon because I don't like fake banana stuff very well. Oh, here's another one, a blue one. Maybe, or is it purple? It's purple. The paper is blue, but the thing itself is purple. Ooh, sunglasses. Kind of cute, and they come in like a little bag. Let's see. Luxury Diva sunglasses with soft case, $20. Headbands were $20. And then, oops, something off. I've got so much junk everywhere. This looks like a eyeshadow palette. I have so many eyeshadow palettes. I don't know what I did, but they shifted and they're in the top drawer. I'll never do that again. And now I can't open the drawer because they've pulled up enough where you can't get them down to open the drawer. Might have to take the front off of the drawer or something. If it was a lower drawer, you could just take the top drawer out, reach down, take some out so you could get the drawer fixed, but no. No. This is I might give this one away because it's a bunch of neutrals and I'm not really a neutral kind of gal. So I'm not going to take, it's got plastic over it. I'm not going to take the plastic off. But you can kind of see what colors they are. There's browns, some pinks, some creams. I probably will give this one away. I haven't looked today, but I'm this close to reaching 600, so this may go into 600 private giveaway. Ooh, there's a dress or something in here. Oh, and some jewelry or something. Okay, what do we got here? This looks like this would go with the dress. Oh, it's got crosses on it. That's cool. Or are they, I guess they're supposed to be crosses. It looks really small, but I have pretty small wrists. I don't know if it'll fit me or not. Doesn't look like it stretches. I mean, I have pretty small wrists, but this looks, oh, it's got a extender on it, so yeah, it should fit. Yeah, if I put it here, I definitely can get it on without even a problem. It's a little big if I use the extender. That's pretty. I don't wear bracelets much, but it is pretty. The eyeshadow palettes was also $20. I'll take these sunglasses off so I can read this better. Delicate Natural Stone Beaded Bracelet, $27. And then this dress I'm about to show you is $36. Put this back in its little bag. Pretty color blue. Very nice summery dress. It looks like it's full length. This is cute. It's a 2X. I only usually wear 1X, but it doesn't look real big. I'll try it on in a minute, but it looks like it would fit, and I think it's really cute. Nice to like throw over a swimsuit or something. If I can get the doggy out of the doorway so I can shut the door because my grandson's home. Of course, he never comes downstairs. He's always on his video game, so I could probably get undressed and he'd never know the difference. So I'm going to try this on for you. I'm going on a cruise. This might be a good thing to take on the cruise. Kind of looks dressy, but it looks summery too. Of course, I'm going on an Alaska cruise, so I'd have to bring something to cover the sleeves because it's probably a little chilly. Well, even if it wasn't an Alaska cruise, in the dining rooms, it's usually a little chilly. All right, I'll be back. I'm going to try that on. All right, here we go. This is what the top half looks like. It's kind of clingy, but I do have these that I haven't tried on yet. These camis that are supposed to suck you in, so maybe I'll try one of the camis on under it, see if it sucks me in enough. Let me tilt you down so you can see. Pardon the mess, but I'm in the middle of packing. Hopefully, by the time I go on the cruise, I'll have lost maybe another 10 pounds and it won't be so tight. I gained back a little bit of it because I haven't felt good all week, so I've just been laying around, not getting any exercise at all, and just eating. When my stomach hurts, is all I want is starchy stuff like crackers and toast and stuff like that. So I gained back a little bit just because all I was eating was carbs. So what I got was, Luxury Diva now, it used to be 30, now it's 35. It says the value of this box is $123. So I got this dress, which I think is really cute. I love the white against my face because I'm kind of dark complected, so the white kind of really stands out. And I love this blue. I think it's really cute. Just a little tight in the tum-tum, but hopefully I can lose some more of that if I get back going on Weight Watchers again, because I didn't go this week because I felt so cruddy. So I got that. I got this eyeshadow palette, which I'm going to give away. This bracelet. It's cream colored and this is white, so these don't really go together, and I'm not a bracelet girl, so these two are probably going to go in a giveaway. Got a couple Twizzlers. Don't know about the headbands. Should I try one on? If I try it on, then I'm not going to want to give it away because you don't want my cooties. But they would be good for Mass Mondays. Well, I often don't like them because they either don't stay on my head or they're too tight, one or the other. Oh, it's got, I'll have to cut this to do it. It's not too bad. It's still all hooked together, but that would work for Mass Monday. Right now I've got in a ponytail, so you don't really need it. But it's kind of tight. I don't know. If you don't mind that I had this on my head, I could put it in a giveaway. Just let me know. The sunglasses I think are cute. I'll keep those. Got the summer look going on. Oops. Oops, sorry. So anyway, Luxury Diva used to be 30, now it's 35 because, you know, everything's going up. Cost of goods is going up, freight's going up, because gas is going up. On and on, you know the whole story. So I'm not surprised that the price went up. So I got the headbands, the sunglasses, this cute dress, the bracelet, and the eyeshadow. So basically a whole outfit, whole summer outfit. Luxury Diva is one of my favorite lifestyle boxes. I've tried other ones, but I think they're the best bang for your buck. Some of the other ones, like, all you guys seem to really like FabFitFun, but I think they're kind of pricey for what you get. So I tried it a couple times, and I'm just like, not for me. So I've stuck with Luxury Diva. I've quit a couple times, and then I end up going back because I missed it. I don't think I have a code that could get you any money off of it. I'll double check. If I do, I'll put it below, but I don't think there is one. You just go on and sign up. And I think if you sign up for 3 months or, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, it goes down a little bit, per month if you sign up for multiple months. I think I might be on a month to month. I should go at least 3 months at a time because I get it all the time anyway. So what'd you think? I think this dress is cute. Too bad it's a little clingy on the tum-tum, but I'm a little bloated when I don't eat right, which I haven't been. I've just been eating a bunch of starch and sugars and that kind of stuff. I get bloated, so that's partly why it's so clingy. But I do like it. I'm going to keep it, and I can either put shapewear on with it or lose some more weight. My preference is to lose some more weight because I've got shapewear. I just never wear it because I think it's uncomfortable. Although these might work. I've got Got these, I haven't put them away yet. These are like a real thick, stretchy, supposed to suck you in camis, which would go under this and you wouldn't even see it. Well, you might see it a little bit right there. There's a black one and a white one. So I could probably put that on underneath and suck in some of my flab. But hopefully I get back on track and start losing some weight again. I don't know. My son and daughter-in-law were going on a cruise. They're coming home today. My grandson was what they call Tech Week. He's the stage manager, and he helps move stuff around, build sets, do the technical stuff. So the fifth graders, which he's in high school, but the fifth graders put on a show, and so he helped with that all week. So I barely saw him all week. They fed him and put him to work, and he'd get home like 9 or 10 o'clock every night. So it was perfect because I didn't feel like eating anyway, so I didn't have to cook for him. So it worked out great. He's got a little clip in my iMethod eyeliner stamp, wing stamp thing. At the very end, he pops in to show you his aquarium he just bought that he's all excited about. I'm just looking at my room. It's like, ugh. Ugh. Let's see if you can see that. I'm beginning to pack. There's boxes packed there. There's a mostly empty bookcase. So I'm slowly starting to pack. I have about maybe a month or so to go. Alrighty, love y'all. Let me know what you thought. And be watching for me to hit 600. I think I'm 4, as of yesterday, I was 4 away. And I'm in 2 collabs that both dropped yesterday. Dropped yesterday, so there's 2 collabs. Both have a bunch of multi-giveaways, so go check those out if you haven't seen them yet. I'd love to have you subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you soon. Bye.